Hello friend, Joe at the office here. Today I want to just blog about the importance of creating a Microsoft Access personalized template. So I've created around 250 Microsoft Access applications over the past 20 years. Applications like asset management apps, inventory apps, call logs for different business reasons, customer metrics, work management, many information system reporting applications. Access is the strongest reporting tool in my opinion. So why create a personalized template? Well, a template acts as a starting point for all new applications that you are asked to create for standardization in your organization. So you don't have to repeatedly rewrite or go look for old code you already wrote. And it's the most efficient and professional way to create your new apps. A template can store standard options, color themes, settings, application locks and security, very important, commonly used functions and declarations, error logging, email functionality, application controls, basically just a place to store your code that you're going to use on any new application. So over the next few videos, I'll help you create your own customized Microsoft Access template, and hopefully that will lend itself to your professional success. So just take a quick look over here. We got this is just a beginning of the template. I'm going to show you how to create all these modules, standardized forms, functionality. So like I said, things that help you manage the screen, application, email functionality, how to lock and unlock your database, multiple ways to do this. You're not always going to have an application that's completely locked down. Sometimes you'll want it open for different reasons. Standardized functions, declarations, ways to do a progress bar, window sizing, that type of thing. So we'll go ahead and let's wrap this up because it is just a blog or a vlog, I'm not sure. So please like and subscribe to the channel so I know this is helping people. And please leave a comment on how I can improve your experience. Thank you for watching.